Hi friends, do you get a clicking sound in your knee sometimes and wonder whether it is normal or abnormal? Let me answer this for you today. So some amount of clicking sound in the knee, especially while climbing up or down the stairs or while making the knee straight after you have kept it bent for a long time is normal. Supposing this clicking is associated with any type of pain, swelling or discomfort, that is if your knee is getting locked, that you're not able to bend it easily, or if it is associated with some sort of swelling in that area, then it could be abnormal and you need to get investigated. The most common reason for this is a meniscal injury or a tear, or it could be a ligament tear or a sprain. An MRI will help you diagnose this condition properly, but first see your doctor. It could even be just something minor which could get relieved with a little bit of exercises and some medicines. So do follow us.